let's talk about 6 different types of vectors in R and when to use them. The first vector we have right here is a character vector. Now, a character vector is often words or sentences, pretty much open responses to questions. And you'll see R has now stored it in the global environment. A factor is a little bit different. It oftentimes contains words, but it's a categorical variable. Now, with additional arguments, we can make a nominal or an ordinal categorical variable, but it will store it as nominal by default. Next, we have a numeric vector. A numeric vector is just numbers. So you'll see we've put numbers into the vector and it is stored as numeric by default. But we can make it an integer vector with multiple ways. I've used putting 1L, 2L, and 3L to turn this into an integer vector. So now you'll notice in the global environment, it's the same vector, but it's an integer. The key difference here is the amount of memory that R uses. When we make a numeric vector, it uses more memory. Next, we have a complex vector, and these are just complex numbers stored into a vector. Last but not least, we have a logical vector, and this is just trues and falses stored into a vector.